Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the phone ready. Free space, battery, and background apps closed so recording is stable. Open camera, go to More, then select Pro Video. This gives manual control. Once in Pro Video, pick your aspect ratio, 16, 9 for standard or 9, 16 for vertical, and switch to the rear camera. Now, tap the zoom indicator and choose 100x to preview framing. You want the subject centered, because 100x magnifies tiny movements and makes composition critical. Once done with framing, prioritize stability. Mount the S23 Ultra on a tripod or stable surface because 100x amplifies shake. Make manual adjustments. Lower ISO to reduce noise, raise shutter speed for moving subjects, and use manual focus to lock sharpness. You should also try starting with 2x10x optical zoom and then move to 100x digital to preserve detail. Make sure to enable any video stabilization options and lock exposure so the camera doesn't hunt during the take. You should record a short test clip first and review it for focus, shake, and noise. This tells you if settings need tweaking. When satisfied, hit record and monitor the display. Use Touch AF Lock to prevent refocusing and exposure compensation if the scene brightens or darkens. If results are grainy or unstable, reduce zoom to 30 to 50 times, add light, or step back and use less digital zoom. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image jitters, stop. Remount on a steadier tripod and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.